Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we provide in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Aruba AP-505 802.11ax wireless access point. The Aruba AP-505 is a high-performance wireless access point designed for both mobile and IoT devices. It supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, making it ideal for dense environments. With Aruba's intelligent software innovations, it delivers blazing fast connectivity and an improved user experience. The AP-505 supports Wi-Fi 6, which offers faster speeds, increased capacity, and improved efficiency compared to previous Wi-Fi standards. This access point provides an impressive data transfer rate of 1.77 gigabits per second, ensuring a smooth and lag-free wireless experience. It complies with various IEEE standards, including 802.11a, 802.11ac, 802.11ax, and more, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. The AP-505 features Bluetooth Low Energy and Zigbee connectivity technologies, simplifying the deployment and management of IoT services. It offers unified wired and wireless policy with dynamic segmentation, allowing you to prioritize and manage network traffic effectively. The Aruba AP-505 supports green AP energy-saving features, making it environmentally friendly when Aruba's AI/ML capabilities are enabled. The package also includes a mounting bracket designed for this access point, providing flexibility in installation. The bundle, including the access point and mounting bracket, is available for $606.06 on Amazon, offering a 21% discount from the list price of $770. Customers who have purchased this product have given it a 5-star rating on Amazon, praising its ease of installation and performance. In summary, the Aruba AP-505 802.11ax wireless access point is a high-performance, future-proof solution for your wireless connectivity needs. Its Wi-Fi 6 support, IoT integration, and energy-efficient features make it a valuable addition to any network setup. That concludes our review of the Aruba AP-505. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Don't forget to leave your comments and questions below, and stay tuned for our next product review.